will continue to go after military infrastructure in India?
But there's no continuing, because continuing means that we've already done so.
India says
think,
it's recovering debris and will show the proof.
I think that those are baseless allegations. I've seen a video of a drone from an Indian television which is unmarked, untouched. It's just lying on the ground. So I think these are false accusations. When you say continue to do so, I have thrice denied that we've made no such attacks, but you continue to cast aspersion and say that, you know, what do you mean by continue? There's been no attack by Pakistan. That's an Indian claim. As Information Minister of Pakistan, I'm denying that and refuting that, and I would appreciate if you don't use the word continue, because I've made my contentions very clear.
Because India is saying it retaliated to what Pakistan has done overnight and targeted air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan, and air defense system in Lahore has been neutralized. Can you confirm that?
That's not confirmed. We've shot down 25 Heron drones in different fields. So Pakistan, there's been no damage, but we've shot down these drones through jamming of their systems and through hitting them by our air defense missile system. So our air defense system has shot down some drones, and some have been neutralized through jamming of their communication, but no damage has been caused. And this claim that our defense system has been targeted, I strongly reject that claim. No such damage has taken place in Pakistan.